Hello everyone! Today, we are going to create a string art design together. Have fun! Let's start by opening our file in the Xtool Creative Space program. First, we need to ungroup the files so that we can work with them individually. Due to the fact that we will be using 3mm plywood, I want to create the base. To do this, we will duplicate the part with the frame, combine the lines, and get the basis for the dimensions of the main design. It is not necessary to do this, but I recommend using plywood that is larger than 3mm if possible. Then, we will move on to the settings for engraving and cutting on my laser machine. I have an Xtool D1 Pro 10W. I would recommend using the settings that I specify in the video to ensure that everything functions properly. Also, to determine the position of the laser, you can use a framing tool. I recommend doing this so that you know exactly where your laser will be pointing. Then you need to specify the type of wood. I am using 3mm wood. After all the settings are set, let's begin the process. Remember that when working with a laser, it is important to take safety precautions. Wear protective glasses over your eyes and a face mask to protect yourself from the laser's harmful rays. When the laser cutting is complete, we will start to assemble our design. For this, you will need some glue, nails, a hammer, sandpaper, and threads of different colors. First, I'll clean the design with sandpaper. Then, I'll take the lower layer of the design and apply glue to it. I'll then glue the two pieces together. Then, I start hammering the nails into the marked spots. Be careful when using a hammer. Protect your hands. All the nails have been driven in. I begin working with threads. For each part of the design, I will use two pairs of threads in different colors to create a frame. I always start by tying the threads into a knot so that our work does not get ruined. After tying the knot, I randomly wind the threads along the desired contour. I repeat this for all parts of the paws. Then, I take a lighter shade of thread and start filling in the center of the contours. I repeat this with all parts of the paws. threads of a different color and start doing the same work only with a different part. The more you twist and turn the threads, the more interesting your design will become. Have finished working with these colors, we will move on to the final stage of the design process. We will do all the same steps as before. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I am very grateful and hope you enjoyed them. Please consider subscribing to my channel and following me on social media. For those of you who watched this video until the end, there is a great gift waiting for you. It's a discount promo code for my store on Etsy. The link to the store is in the description below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.